How to log into the Plex TV app on iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can log into the Plex TV app on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you would like to log into the Plex TV application on your iPad, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Plex application that you downloaded from your app store and then launch it like this. And once you launch your Plex application, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you should be able to see a couple of details. Now, if you don't have an account, you can tap the sign up free option, or you can choose to skip the sign up, but we're not going to do that. Of course, we want to log into the account, so we will just tap this sign in option over here. Now there are many ways to log in. You can log in with your Apple ID, your Facebook account, Google account, or your email address, which is the easiest way, of course. So you can go ahead and then make sure to actually enter your email address over here, and once you make sure to enter your email address, you would need to enter your password as well. So enter your password. Now if you are not sure what password you have typed in, you can tap the I button in order to view the password, or you can just tap on the forgot password option if you happen to forget your password and if you would like to reset it. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into Plex TV application on your iPad. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.